Hey, the dog. Hey,
What's crack-a-lackin'?
there is a bird on your shoulder.
Bird with an not an R. I'm not a fucking pirate. It's a bird.
Bird.
No, no.
Then
I mean, it's acceptable Indian bird, but I'm just saying it's not a bird. It's a bird.
okay. Bird.
Fuck no, no, bro.
Mhm. Bird.
Say the word her. Wait. Say her.
Her.
Same thing. Why is there a fucking A in her?
Her. Er.
Her.
Er.
Er. Er. Deeper.
Er.
Get your tongue out of the way. Just use your voice box.
Her. Her.
Get the H out. Use your voice box. Don't use your tongue. Er.
Er.
Better.
Uh,
That's what it is. That's hard for you guys. That's fucking really hard.
yeah. Is that a parrot?
It's a parrot.
Does it talk?
She says a lot of shit.
Okay.
Hey, Poncho. There you go. Get it.
Oh, the dog got
Fucking
scared. It scared the dog. Your parrot scared the dog.
Now, actually, it was the horn in the background of your life. My dogs were like, "What the fuck? Who's honking a horn in America? Nobody does that shit unless there's an
Oh,
accident."
that's a big dog.
Uh huh.
What is the breed?
He's a Great Dane.
Okay. And what is that? That looks like a street dog from India.
Oh, it's a Jack Russell. He
Mm.
could be a street dog from India.
I'm not kidding. That looks
Listen,
exactly like a street dog from India.
Bernie Bello, come here, bub. Bernie, get over here. Hey, Bernie Bello.
Doesn't
He
listen
don't
to
give a
you.
fuck. He's like, nah, man, I'm chilling.
So today off work. No work
Yeah,
today
no
because
work.
Friday.
No, I have a long weekend.
Okay.
I took time off. I
What
sell
do you
cars for a
do?
living.
You sell cars.
I sell cars
So you'd buy second-hand cars and you'd
sometimes,
repair them
but
and
I
you'd sell.
mainly I sell classic cars.
Okay.
I sell old American muscle cars, old German cars, old
Uh,
Land Rovers. I sell old cars. I sell cars. I just sell cars.
okay.
I sell some new cars, mostly old cars, lots of Chevelles, lots of Impalas,
Uh,
lots of Camaros,
mhm. So
K body, lots of C body.
yeah. So unmarried.
Yeah. Are you?
No, I'm also unmarried.
Do you know who you're going to marry?
No idea. I'm not even sure I'm going to marry or not.
But wait, I thought that was the thing. Like your parents decided.
Not always.
Is it the majority of your culture is like that still?
Uh, hard to tell. It's changing. It's changing nowadays. But
I would imagine it's changing pretty quick. But your family, how many generations have they chosen their own?
arranged marriage. My parents got married. Arranged marriage.
So your parents had an arranged marriage, but they're like, "Nah, we ain't gonna do that to you."
Well, yeah, yeah.
So I mean, do you believe them, or do you think your mom will get involved If you're like 27 and still playing video games and
I'm not
fucking
playing video
around,
games. I'm not living in
come
my mother's basement.
on, man. All right, all right.
Okay.
Just making
Alright.
sure.
Uh,
It's totally acceptable. Listen, I had a kid live in my basement. I kicked her out at 19. I said, that's old enough.
uh,
Get the fuck out. And she joined the Navy.
join the navy.
Hmm.
Okay. Yeah. But in India, like people don't really force their kids to move out of the house. Not really. Not much, at least. Maybe they would say go to
I
the
moved out.
college.
No, fuck college.
So you can go to navy without going through college.
Well, okay, let me rephrase that. Don't fuck college. Some sometimes you can do better with college.
Mm-hmm.
But for instance,
Mm-hmm.
I have no education. I dropped
Mm-hmm.
out of high school. I grew up in what the United States would equivalent to the streets. I grew up in a mobile home in
Mm-hmm.
San Bernardino, California,
Mm-hmm.
right behind an Air Force base in the middle of the desert on the outskirts of Los Angeles.
Mm-hmm.
So the slums, what you guys would call. There were some nice areas though, because that's not how America works. But I didn't live in a nice area. I lived in a slum. And I dropped out of high school when I was 13 years old. I stopped going to school, which
Mm-hmm.
is very uncommon for the United States. It's actually illegal. See, even my dog, he's like, "What the fuck? Where's the horn coming from?" But
Oh yeah, some people are like
my
over there.
children, my
Okay.
children didn't grow up like that. I grew up in a very nice. They grew up in a very nice house in Colorado, you know,
Mm-hmm.
and I had one child go to college, and the other three didn't. I've got one in the Navy. She actually just got out of the Navy, and she's a nurse. She's got two kids. She's
Mm-hmm.
married. Probably going to get divorced pretty soon. Got another daughter who's also a nurse. She's doing pretty damn good. She's making about 70 grand a year. She's like 21 years old. She's 22. She turned 22 in April. And she'll turn 22 in April. And then my son is an intelligence officer in the Navy. He's got no
It's easy
education.
to get jobs in the states. I feel like that.
No.
No, not easy. But you can get like you can become a nurse, you can become navy officer or intelligence officer without going through college.
He went to a trade school. So it equaled enough college credits to, in high school, he went to a trade school. And then right after, he worked on solar panels. He worked on solar panels. He wanted to work on diesel engines, but instead he worked on solar panels. He got not a degree, but he got enough credits through college in the Navy to
Mhm.
become an officer. And now my son has got a high intelligence clearance, and he does shit that I don't even know he does, all involving China. I know that much. And then I have a fourth daughter who never went to school. She dropped out of college after her first semester, and she's in software sales. Just like her dad, she's in sales. She's doing extremely well. So college isn't for everyone. Like there in the United States
Yeah,
specifically,
Elon
if you
Musk.
know that you can do something specialized better than somebody else, you don't need to go to school. You just have to be able to do it.
Mhm.
That's all.
Yeah, Elon Musk. You know Elon Musk.
Well, I mean, he's probably the exception to the rule, right?
Yeah, he said that you don't need a college degree to join my company
No,
Tesla.
but remember, he came from a lot of money,
His
more
parents.
than more than most people have. More than most people have.
Okay, so his parents were wealthy.
Yeah, his dad, who he disowned at this point in his life, owned a bunch of like diamond mines or something. Their
Mhm.
family was very involved in South African real estate. His dad was very involved with apartheid. One of the reasons why Elon Musk doesn't talk to him anymore. So he's the exception to the rule. Most people don't get that opportunity. Yeah. They have
So
to jump from tree to tree.
so you are married. Not married.
Yeah.
Are you
I divorced.
divorced?
I divorced 5 years ago and then remarried. Just recently remarried.
So you and your wife live together.
Yeah.
Why did you divorce?
Oh God. Why do you care? First of all,
Uh, I just want to know.
we didn't love each other anymore. That's the short answer.
Okay.
We had raised children together. We did a good job.
Mhm.
We knew that we weren't going to grow old together. We probably knew in our 15th year of marriage that it wasn't going to work. And
Mhm.
so after 25 years, we divorced. Actually, 24 years we divorced. Just shy of our 25th anniversary.
Okay. So it's like baguette salad. You're 50
Yeah.
in FL. What is FL?
Florida.
Okay. One of the states,
Where do you live?
India, West Bengal.
West of where?
West of West Bengal. It's called West Bengal.
West Bengal.
It's a state in
Right?
India.
Is the tiger from there? What's up? Is that where the tiger's from?
Yeah, Royal Bengal tiger. Have you heard?
Raoul the what tiger?
Royal Bengal tiger.
The Royal Bengal tiger.
Mhm.
There's a lot of G's in that sentence.
Royal Bengal tiger.
Bengal tiger.
Yeah, they are from West Bengal. World famous.
So you're like jungly?
What?
Do you live in like a jungle? Do you live in like the plains? Do you live in like a pine forest?
No, it's
For instance, Florida's a fucking swamp. I live in a swamp, like Shrek.
okay.
Where do you live?
It's a town. It's not.
I
It's a
understand
city.
that you're in a town. I hear the horns in the background.
Technically,
So
it's
I
a city,
understand that there
but
are motorized vehicles.
mhm.
But what type of terrain is West Bengal?
Yeah, it's plain. Not that hilly. Not very hilly. So,
Did it used to be a forest?
yeah, like 10,000 years ago, it would be a forest.
10,000 years ago, or maybe like 1,000 years ago?
I don't know about that.
I know where I live and my history. It's curious that you don't. You seem pretty intelligent
Okay, maybe not that intelligent. How do you know I'm intelligent, by the way?
because of your vocabulary.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, I keep learning new words.
All right, you're doing well.
I'm doing
Not
great.
doing good. That would be improper. You're doing well.
Oh, is it better than doing good?
I don't know. It's the proper way to say that you're doing good. It's you're doing well. How are you? You don't say I'm doing good. Say, I'm doing well, thank you.
Well, I don't even know the difference between doing good and doing well.
Well is the same as good. It's just when you speak in English, the proper way to
Mhm.
say I'm doing good is saying I'm doing well, thank you.
Mm,
Or you could say I'm doing good. I'm doing good, bro. How the fuck you doing? How's it hanging?
mm.
You could even throw Spanish in it because I'm in Florida.
Okay, so you know
And people
Spanish
would
too.
know. Bueno. Yo es bueno aquí en Florida.
Mm,
Porque es bonito, con muy bonito playa, con muy bonito señoritas y
mm,
chicas, mucho plata.
mm. Do you own any guns by chance?
Sí,
Yes.
tres. Dos pistoles con uno, yo no sé en español, rifle.
Mhm.
Do you have any guns? Can you have a gun in India?
Yes, we can have the gun in India, but it's not easy to get the license. That's why most of the people don't have the gun.
Yeah, it's crazy that we can just buy guns here.
Mhm. But that's
It's
why
even
there are
crazier in Florida. You're allowed to carry your gun with you everywhere.
everywhere.
You don't even need a special permit. You can just carry your gun.
Okay. And if somebody breaks into your house, you can shoot that person.
Yes. If somebody is on your property and you feel like you're in danger, you can shoot that person.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Even though, okay, even though
So that
he,
means the front yard or the backyard.
like, if like somebody gets in your house, like a, let's say, without any, like, without any.
I know you want to see a gun, don't you? You want to
No, no,
see a gun,
I
don't you?
have seen lots of guns. Okay, I have seen lot of
I
guns.
bet you I have a gun that you haven't seen. It's an actual, you know what an AR is, right?
Automatic rifle.
An AR, the rifle that kills everybody.
So if somebody gets into your property without any guns
Mhm.
or knives, just but at the night time with a mask, do you have the right to kill him? You have.
Well, it depends on if he's threatening or not, right? Is this person high on drugs?
Mhm.
How do I know that? Is this person on PCP? Does he have 5 times his human strength and his brain not working okay? He
Mhm.
knows better than to walk on a private property. Like, there's a sign posted out in front of everybody's house. Stay the fuck off. This is
Trace,
mine.
no trespassing.
Yeah, I have a gate in the backyard. So if somebody came in my backyard, I would absolutely shoot them. I would shoot first. Because, see, in the United States, nobody goes on your property. That is not a thing that happens. Somebody from around the corner doesn't just see you outside and walk into your backyard. That's trespassing.
Once a couple of my neighbors, okay, got into our house without any, like, without, like, the door was open. They got into. Yeah, they had to discuss something, so they got into. But in the United States, you cannot do like that.
Here's a story. I had a next door neighbor when my first family was younger. We went camping, which is an American thing. I know you don't understand,
Mhm.
but we went camping in the mountains. And so we were gone for like a long weekend. I can't remember how long it was. And we had somebody come by because I've always had animals. And actually I've had her for almost 30 years now.
Oh, 30 years old.
But
That parrot.
she's 48.
48 years old. Really, parrots live that long.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
She's like 3 quarters. Like she's an old lady now.
Okay, great. I
All
didn't
right.
know.
So I had this beautiful girl, nothing above that, just a beautiful, describe the story, this beautiful high school age girl.
Mhm.
Watch my dogs, right? Feed my
Mhm.
dogs, let them out. She could stay at the house. Who knows what she did? She
Mhm.
came home drunk on a Saturday night to let my dogs out, whatever, teenagers party. She went into the wrong house. She went into
Uh,
my next door neighbor's house
uh.
and he nearly shot her. He nearly killed her. He
Your
had his gun
daughter.
drawn.
Your
He
daughter.
had his gun drawn and he's like, "Who the fuck are you?"
Your daughter got into your neighbor's house, and your neighbor almost shot her.
Fucking Poncho. Did you shit on my shoulder? I gotta go. I got a 50 coin limit anyways. This is ridiculous. Why am I telling you stories about my past?
You need quids.
Huh?
What? You need quids, 50 coins limit.
I do. After 50 coins I go, no matter what.
Okay, what are you going to do with all so much quids?
I don't care.
You like collecting quids?
Well, maybe I'll gain interest on them. Maybe there should be a cryptocurrency based on chat roulette conversations.
No, it's just points. Quids are just now currently I have like I like I had many, but for somehow I lost the quids. How many
I
do
know how
you?
you lost them. You're a fucking teenage boy in India. That's how you lost them.
No, no,
You
no.
said, listen, I only want to talk to the top users because I know that they're all girls.
Uh, I didn't. Okay, I
Yeah,
my last account got banned somehow, so I this is my new account.
I'm sure. All right. Uh-huh. Sure did.
Yeah, I got into a quarrel with like somebody got into a quarrel with somebody. So
50 coin limit. See you later, bro.
how many quids do you
Talk
have?
to